everyone. Welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to import your products or services into your Vencru account. So you have a number of products and services to record under inventory, but doing that manually is a lot of work. Don't worry, you could always use the import item feature to import your products or services together once and for all. Just make sure that you have them recorded following this format and that it is saved as an Excel worksheet or as a CSV file. You could always download our template here so that you can just fill that in. Then browse for the file. After uploading your file, select Next. Ensure that these fields are filled according to the Vencru fields that are fixed here, so that the software can accurately record your items. Then select Import. There, all items were successfully imported with no errors. Then you can go back under Inventory to see your items that were imported. That's how to import your products en masse into your Vencru account.